what is this we have, oh fans of obscure electronics repairs? Well, it's some kind of, God only knows, out of some kind of van or something. Apparently they plug the battery in backwards and it's not coped with it very well. Burnt this trace, look. Blown out that trace. And apparently it's got some kind of short on it when it's plugged in or something. So yeah, let's take this out of here and see if we can see anything on the back of this board. So it's been plugged in backwards. The diode has probably blown somewhere, I imagine, and become a wire. I don't see anything here, but I might sort of see something on the back maybe. So what do we see on the back of the board? Not an awful lot really. Spider webs. Bit of like possible liquid, but it's coated, so it's not really done anything to it. So the actual traces on here look perfectly fine. That other board appears to be fine. This board, yeah, that will be the problem. That's that glass diode there, look. Appears to have a hole in it. So that will be why that's not working. And apparently when they plug it in, it's tripping the fuse, but yeah, it will be if it's blown a hole in the side of the diode. Not great when it actually blows the track up either, is it? Oh, actually no, that's not blowing the track up. I thought I'd blown the track out. Just looks like it's been getting hot. By the look of it, they've taken the conformal coating off just here. Just to inspect this, because I think it looked like it's the coating just gone a bit weird. I thought it was blown out, but apparently not. And so that they've scratched this off. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. The trace is fine. I think the only thing that's wrong with this is that diode, by the look of it. Weirdly, it does test fine, even though that does look rough as don't know what. It's still testing as a diode. It's only in one way, and it's seems to be okay. Yeah, this is weird. So I've come to the conclusion that the board's actually probably alright. I don't know whether they've just been scratching around at that diode, but it tests alright, even though if it does look a bit dodgy. But this is not supposed to be a wire. That is a diode. It's not supposed to do that. This is what a diode should do. For example, when you measure it one way, it shows OL. Measure it the other way, it gives a reading. That's what a diode's supposed to do. Diode, on the other hand, isn't supposed to read 0. That means it's a wire. So I've just chopped the leg off it quick. It still shows as a wire, so that diode is dead. Right, so now I can measure these other diodes, because the problem is a shorted diode like that can send the other readings all over the shop. So chop that out, confirmed it's bad, so now we can check the others. And then you've also got weirdness like this, which a lot of them are reading the same the both way. Problem is like it depends on how the circuit is set up, because you can get weird shit like this happening. The best way to test these then, if they're reading the same both ways, not reading short both ways, they're just reading the same reading both ways, is to unsolder one leg and then do it out of circuit and see if they read properly then. That was pretty obvious that was knackered, because like if it shows short like that, then it's non-starter. But some of these are weird. Some of them are like reading kind of nearly short, but not quite short. For example, this one down here reads 0.100, which is pretty low, like really low for a diode, but doesn't mean it's broken. It just might be really low, but like I need to unsolder one leg and see then. So I've taken some of these out of circuit, soldered back in, seems to be fine from what I can see. Just the way the circuit is, which is normal because it's diode in circuit. Take it out of circuit, it looks fine. So the only one that's dodgy is this. That's short as hell, that is. So I just need to find a replacement. So we've got some on this TV board here actually, so I need to check the specs of these and see exactly whether they're compatible. Feeling in my box of electric sensor repair parts here, I might have some diodes actually. I know I've got some Zenas as well. There we go. Question is that compatible? Because the thing is, electric fences run on 12 volts as well, so it's highly probable it might be possible compatible. So yeah, it's exactly the same. So it looks slightly different, but it's the same model and everything, and so we should be all good. Got it swapped out. Yeah, that's all changed. Everything seems to be testing all right now. This, it's weird. It looks like it's something that's been like pushed up against it, and it's kind of scratched the outside of it. I thought it was actually damaged to start with, but if you look at the edge of the board, look, just there, it's like something's been rubbing up against it. I say it tests fine, so I don't even have any to change anyway, so I'd have to order something in, but it seems to test fine, so we'll leave it as long as it works. So the rest of it should be ready to roll. So yeah, job done. Fixing weird stuff, success.